ROSEMENS TV, your Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, the open PR, say yes, sports. I will say Musamano, say news, local and international. We prepare Tiamunia, ROSEMENS TV, because the CCA or YouTube CCA, and I say TikTok or Ansono, or my account and my mention was any moment, not a full video, so TV, not on YouTube. ROSEMENS TV, ROSEMENS Plus,
all right, Yamu Aquaba and Famra ROSEMENS TV is where you YouTube. Emerson, so see a transit. Now go can see on some in Sakano. Nina and so down baby or a purely local. You be room breakum na yedi breakum Charles Bubukun who encommode. There is this a particular player in a modern etimi asweni na ibidni home como niashe se team you be remuno ebeko ye dia matimuno na team bi anso penade na se so mohwe e wo player no ho se ne be ya wo ba ni modern enso ebetimi apeja player yedi ni home como no e Zakaria Fuseini, the captain for the side. And I bid ho enkomo ene enso so de due yi na neatia ni say ene world football no any modern football no team bia person se build up as e di free achiri enti the first phase no person mo sha se di free ho no enti no eya na ekoko basa center backs ni nyina na center backs as wo kwadwa match na wo kwako pebia obi e pe center back a woni ball ni ball no woni mukura enti obi abeka chiro na say scout any coach beka chiro say pe ball playing center back. Inti sa ball playing center back na currently awe market yi mo Ghana ha no mo de meka e de a kire se enkomo yebedi be wie na be mo hu se wonsa ka branch ne din ye Zakaria Fuseini. You've made a good choice. What top quality center back obeti be improve team menoma enso etimi akoyi de amount quickly on your screen. Na yetimi adi ye Zakaria Fuseini ho enkomo de ya Zakaria Fuseini ye center back osna kan Ede Emma eye bubu ni dini brekum Chelsea. He is a center back. No, a center back no. E wa group man so no e ani obabi obi agina ye wodi ogina nifa ene ni ogina binkum. Now for Zakaria Fuseini, he is a center back one no ene gina binkum afa so as number 5 ede Emma ni team. Enti we say na obo ben nipa na obo nkan se 3 the 4 at the left back no ono eho ene obo ben no. Zakaria Fuseini eye one center back se ball ni da from na ye mo wani mu bo. Your money long pass and also short pass, diagonal and also vertical pass. Ni nyina na ya ade say o in much abundance o woni lokemu. Inti se wo kokofa eye Zakaria Fuseini edi aba. Say in your build up, yen chance yen fan frechiri. Eye short passes ene yen fan share eye build up na se ne yen famra. Obetini aye edi amount. Say a diagonal pass and one more fan kwa from one side of the field to the opposite side of the field. Say a long ene yen Nina no win in abundance. Then some of me can be supporting with videos. I'm one who say indeed you are buying a top-notch quality center back, a modern center back. I would seek a kwakushemua or M2 Sika M Fanchani. Dennis Zakaria said, a year play near me at the home coma. So what's our qualities when as a center back? The ball playing sense, you know. A physical attribute. Dennis Zakaria award that height any area ability, no. Because so called center back always most of times na team dia epe defender or height no sounds the aerial doable and Zakaria Fuseini wo he na don't forget say ye buy under 23 national team 2019 he was part of the team ekokobon under 23 qualifiers near sharing say be qualify for the Olympic games anko yamfa man currently the transfer market say the value so about to a Zakaria Fuseini were 125,000 euros and any born you see it no a 2070 so for the next 5-6 years no obet me about and so at me at the money height no a 1.80 meters our as usual American anywhere the home commander so already Macandia show say wolf pe a position the primary position he is a left center back. Being a left center back doesn't mean that we're a left footer. We're a right footer. We will be a obonifa. There's also an intelligence in tea. With me about a bunkuma faso as a left center back. Menoso 8 ekoye. It is a water ayen Zakaria Fuseini and ball playing sense. The position and the awareness, no, and how I will see a position on the field of play, no, and you know, you also buying the leader, a conductor on the field, a coach on the field, in the sense, a coach in a jumble, our dressing room touchline, Nipa, would not a park, and so as a player, was also your coach, what directed a teammate, you know, Emma Mooney at one and what to do, what not to do. Hey, I branch any Zakaria Fuseini. So leader on the page and on the page, you mean Zakaria Fuseini, 8 me a year mau, ewa go pamaso. Nti ebo play na yetimi de ho nkomo, na yetimi actually say wo fa a player and the qualities ni nyina no obetimi a check ahwe. Na wo hye ni nyina awia. The question you also ask yourself and say, in terms of availability, not availability in the sense of going to find him, not that, but availability in terms of say we selected boy and I'm not about to see a kind. And Zakaria Fuseini who shared the last 3 seasons, the 2022-2023 season about 30 matches out of 34 Edinburgh Recruit Chelsea. 2023-2024 out of 34 about 31 Edinburgh Recruit Chelsea. Now this season 34 matches no already about 31 no about 28 and they ama Recruit Chelsea. And the availability say oya available na on prepare bebrebe no eya de say ubenya e de free Zakaria Fuseini ho. Ye di ni availability ho enko no so no. Some set me nya e de free abrantia no ho eya say the 2023-2024 season 30 matches no go, but this season we bought as many as 28 matches ama 3 goals. So the act of goal scoring eya de say Zakaria Fuseini e de ababeka na go kan see ho as a defender. In this water, you are getting a full package. And if you are granted one man, we can be improve with him. Man, you must at me acquire at the amount. Now, you can availability in terms of say on prepare. Now, what the goes, I can go can see you. Quite apart from that, you be something and say, never player be any available. NCA come from now any disciplinary issues. Now, so far, Zakaria Fuseini disciplinary issues. So, what this season, I can the previous 2 seasons in one. The 2022-2023 season, 30 matches, 3 yellow cards. 2023-2024, 31 matches, 5 yellow cards. Now this season, 28 matches, 5 yellow cards. And a boy no enya. And here, I actually say about disciplinary issues. And any nyoma I keka this is a player, or a player, or a very disciplined. Who enya from free no hono say. Why you indisciplined? No, you won't get that from a branch any day. Dennis Zakaria. Now you can yellow card in and say there's a red card. There's a was sent a book and say when you be and from a Brooklyn Chelsea. And here can show the type of player and as a defender why I want to it's me aircraft branch you know the leadership quality, the positional sense, the passing, being it long shot, diagonal or vertical pass, you know. Idea say a one book and see we pa. And see a screens so now yet the videos not at me as support this is a Dennis Zakaria. I know a branch a day I am Zakaria Fuseini. I know a new home command. You make screens so now yet me abo videos not at support and some you know air canon TMC Adoboa now I'm play yet me at the videos so at me up so at the money passing range to bako chika kranwa po so e hanum at the amabo kwachi na wapo so video ni sha se no wapo so send e bebet me di ho nkomo ye good. This is Abraham Chelsea. Now what I share the position of Abraham Chelsea one back line now. They are in the second phase of a build up no. Now the second phase of Abraham Chelsea build up no. Team no ni Asia kan I know edi ho nkomo no ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now Kotoko are committed as many as 5 players are in a layman term. Because omo to ebia say Abraham Chelsea for so. Now say Abraham Chelsea ebe avoid the mid press of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now on bypassing yes 5 men are air press no. So air fabric for the first 2. No be the 3 now air back in the first 2 no. And the 2 lines of a defense no. So wait me a bypass no ball I get it to the final third in the quickest possible time no. Then it's abandoned Zakaria Fuseini opted for a long pass. Now with the long pass no where as many as 5 players and the free AM equation him and now say Kumasi Asante Kotoko. One defensive line no make me no. Now Brenton and Zakaria Fuseini with one long pass no makuma kunum and the frame. And your guess is good as mine. And the number frame no I can num plus the goal. The final third of a year Brooklyn Chelsea were attacking third honum. This is just one pass. A long one. Now you who ever the long passes in the morning say irrespective of the idea we didn't walk up manosono. So what long pass but it goes straight to the opponent a year goal area. Goal area na can the penalty box. Always say Dennis Zakaria a long pass no e BT a year opponent in press. I say a high press and I say mid press and that's more bar. With one pass ayade say ekoko see the penalty area or the goal area and I say around the D arc of the opponent goal post. This is a defender. You know what you know nkomo na yaka ade actual say about long passes he has that quality. I would me hitting that long pass no many call bedia ebe hitting the opponent in terms of say omo defender. Into on your screen no see it me abo now work on a long pass and any CAC area. So this is how Dennis Zakaria aboko chika crab na baby the destination of a baby abon ekokodu ye no good post so hanu mame. So nin be na make way the mid and I said the mid third of a bubu ko ni din edi bekum Chelsea. Wo mo build up na Dennis Abrante and Dennis Zakaria Fuseini about that long pass and everyone ebaye. So the destination of the ball around the D arc of the opponent ni goal area no that's where ball no enso etimi ba bedu ye. Now with this the advantage a wom ene say even a man no edi 5 no enkomo no wo bo chika krabia obo say another 2 Justice Blay and Abrante and in team men but the referee no agina no essentially you are more at the free because the ball ekona ka only Kumasa Sante Kotoko 3 players including Brekum Chelsea we also 3 players are vying for one ball into we share the area the challenger etimi eko so horma ni eko ni atia ni say so Kumasa Sante Kotoko every ni area do no na so wopem na ankwa etiri na eto ba bia Chelsea players no do na ewa Chelsea ebe for the second ball and on far that's the zone 14 a position on the field and as the area of the fielder team the young person the opponent ebe picking balls ewo honom because a sensitive zone say one shey ni here na so mo play and time and space on the ball na say that quality shot na ewa here the football mo bet me dia punish so who can a aggressive tackle so a free kick ebe beto honom who knows say obet me punish so et me e dia punish so in bia ba ko coaches person the team ebe consider free kicks obe consider possession always no wo protect this zone no many man so etimi ekoye. So this is a brand and day and this Zakaria Fuseini and the long passes and the destination of a baby or bobo no ema no enso ekusin say MC we play now yet me to also the long pass no enkomodia. This is another long Fuseini from the center and ball no edi free na ball edi free no NTR beja na wase baby a ball ebe kwa akọwie there you have it no ebe kwa chi na yakọ baby a ball ekokosi no good just look at it so it me ekana na say you press with him no high up the pitch and now say team now when air ball no adapted the mid block system no mudu na ekoko ba say very difficult so obenya sa penetrative pass no man use have block no e free one ma if you have a Zakaria Fuseini in your team you are rest assured say with one long pass you can get the ball to the final third now once so no obetimi adapted the strategy obetimi dey winning the area boss you can choose not to challenge for the first ball but the second ball you always be alert so bet me after the second ball menyoma and so me akoye at the amount so we are giving the video evidence of the passing range of Abrante and the team at the Zakaria Fuseini and MCA robot player na yet me atwa so na ye di ho enkomo another a long pass from Zakaria Fuseini and just look at the destination of the ball once again this time around the D arc no line so the goal area and as the penalty area no dino and one more pay and who say ball no is how to free you ma and so it's me urban a ball urban just look at the number of masters and take players a around now look at a Chelsea players almost a around now they are alert say ball eto from the second box they will fight for it and pick it so Zakaria Fuseini about with him more you are rest assured say about the long pass opponent blocks no enfront free ho ni get ball to the final third you have a defender obetimi ma sa long range passes no men your man so etimi akoye e de ama wutim no qualities e wo Zakaria Fuseini na bukan sim obema play na etimi akoka krabi na yetimi edi ho enkomode a obeposo hanom edi ama me this is Zakaria Fuseini na wo hwe Zakaria Fuseini a he is holding the line perfectly well with the defensive partner out on the right side. Na enkume wa hanom ene say this is Chelsea na obo high line. Enti se ofa Zakaria Fuseini a ne obetimi asanso nya ade free no say we player what the high line defensive system no ase. Ni amani to the highline defensive system na say any how a bit rely on him. How we see communicate with the defensive partners no. E want the same line. If team no cast ball at the ato mechi the striker no time when it runs very well. Always the striker will be offside. So on your screen, only say Kwampoku ekwabon was center circle kankwenim. Nanimu kakra no bon se brekum Chelsea player and so closing it down. The right side of the center circle no Kumasa Sante Kotoko. A branch any ding at the Awuche and the left back of a year brekum Chelsea. Upon and a so Nijno Omanimuno and a woman is Zakaria Fuseini Ejina Honoma. Just look at Zakaria Fuseini and any defensive partner no. The line now Ejina Suno. Just look at the body orientation. Half of the body no eshe no and then half is also her striker na all movie and so at me at the abba. In some way for Zakaria Fuseini in as much as a wunya a long range pass out the corner who sounds any player what's the high defensive system no and so I say na se defender and as a team able high defensive line who can at the actually we are seeing now say your center backs no they have that quality in terms of say Omunimrika too, because not always and at the offside trap now bet me asset no I bet you the strikers and I say the opponent players no. Sometimes some players do have that intelligence in terms of some ABT the offside trapper. Now some BT the offside trap and now say occasionally and unexpectedly ubenya a defensive partner no ain't me I'm went me and set the offside trap no say they be able to me a double up. Now walk close to the striker down and you're answer to me. So when you get a Zakaria Fuseini, be rest assured, some person a high defensive liar. He has that qualities in him. Obet me abo, no sounds at me aboni yenti play. Na yentwan in comodino share the qualities he brings on board when you have him as a central defender in your team. Now you can Zakaria Fuseini who enkomono. Look at the positional awareness. As I said, he is one defender always no waging as a center back. But in Asia, this is Zakaria Fuseini or what the 18 box on him. What would say? The defensive partner no pushing the right side na all space about the space about the right side media. I was with me close to the striker down. Now what her said obey me I intercept and now so obey control situation no and so they me mabubo kwa ding at the brekum Chelsea. So Zakaria Fuseini there you see him on your screen sir. Oh yeah Juma at the man right center back no send be at Chelsea and consider from this situation because always no about at the left back no but in this situation he has to work cover up for the defensive partner the right sided defender no say push it up no so close the opponent down no there is a need so to me a cover up men you must me a so position say all senses said there is a danger looming na obetimi cover up no so no dey so benya dey phone there but na actually one of the organization anticipation and the reading of the game and the position no dey say top notch and the front bench and den the Zakaria Fuseini na go kan sim to be play na yetimi ato so edi no ho enso enkomodia so positional awareness we actually one no dey say Zakaria Fuseini in abundance and so I want to look at me man's a bit me akoye. Now let's talk about the clearance in terms of so what need see a clear ball there for one a quality so what a center backer obe dey free no a clear any clearance be asa keke in so we play now show the crosser 18 eba the goal area no dia yen hye ni ntimi any hu nkomo to play na yetimi just look at the clearance with me bopos wa mame we clear ball e eba any average defender be a clear ball ni biya sa keke. But Zakaria Fuseini cleared the ball to initiate a attack. One clear ball anfan to be biya sa keke. He cleared Emma Bon Koko D. Ni teammates were any teammate ni J Bono. They've initiated an attack to attack the opponent. And it's a who for Zakaria Fuseini. Not every defender be any bit me who say player be and I say playing partner in a free position. You need to know your environment before the ball comes. And it becomes and when they can scan you say some McLaren's na equal side say yeah there is a free player and man meet him now bana obano obet me a picking ball no na yetimi attack the opponent men you might me akoye dia maye enti the video na ye bo edi share no clearly tells you say Zakaria Fuseini with that clearance one clearness akeke but o clear man ko see ni teammate mo mutimi initiate attack obeku achi na yetimi ahye that clearance na wo ye ewo the method no na yetimi ato aso mo hu say se wonya no ewo team mu a obebo play not here but o to aso a just pause here this is it and just look at the another clearance and as another headed pass with the left side of the center now headed ball just look at the ball no the destination of the ball so this is it it sounds like a area duel ujem na yetimi di hu nkoma at the end of the day Chelsea etimi ewini that area duel men yomatimi ekoye die ma no ene ye no di hu nkoma ya mo ni long range passing and ya mo hu ni clearance no the clearance say ne eno so esietie. Now let's talk about a one touch pass with his weaker foot. Though say predominantly he is a right-footed player, but eba ni nan benkum ni so dia or that quality ni ewo ma wetin one touch pass men yoma etini ekoye dia ma no. So there you see him on your screen. When say pass no etimi aba ehun be yan se wo so wogina so anase wonje mu ba ko ema ne nko so obi jam no bebo play na yetimi edi ho enkomo dia ball eba be di ni ho no ma na ehun ya so obegina so no we delay transition so ba ya no oje mu boko pa once and a ball etimi ekoye. So one touch passing football ade say won sa eka Zakaria Fuseini he understands all these qualities eba pass na o wasa nyomani nyina enso so e wona go kansie mu a you get a complete center back obetnya be slot in no way improve defense na ni team ni nyina as a whole yenta so na ye hwene diagonal passes no na yentimi endi eno enso enkoma poso ama me na ansa na ye be ko pass no eso no so wo hwe ni defensive partner na or what the far right na hwe ni body language ni body positioning or Zakaria Fuseini say ball no enko the goalkeeper no eho. But with the intelligence of a young Fuseini, Zakaria, ehun say bon eko goalkeeper no hono ma. Peter Amadu akwa so what kind of fault na we di ejina hono na. Aggressive person ebeko ni goalkeeper no so. Pese obeteki that risk into no. The number of players Kumasa Sante Kotoko accommodated in the opposition half. Well, as many as 5. Now 5 no up against 4 defenders of Ebubuko and Dine Yebrukum Chelsea. Zakaria Fuseini with the ball. The safest way Emerson God, the ball goalkeeper na abo sim na timi ako. But no. Knowing yet the present system of Kumasa Sante Kotoko Nintino, he decided to go with the diagonal pass. Now diagonal pass no any player be an nimbo so you bo play yet me jam ediamoa. Just look at the diagonal pass and any baby a born ekoye and with progressive born and so it media koye. Just look at it. Baby a born it me koye. So the far right and a born it me kokodi Chelsea a progressive born and so it me ekoye. So when you are buying a young ball playing center back there, no what dramas no Chris Canada. Just go to Brekum, get a Zakaria Fuseini. Now, ultimate slot in a way to menu mantimi enkoye mfama. Now, about the long range shot on so edia. This is a free kick about 30 meters away from the goal area. Zakaria Fuseini, you expect say and kebeti me aye pa crossing and so me abana so beti me at the ball about short pass at me across the right side. But we share aye Zakaria Fuseini dinya. And I'm so what me about sa aye long range passing in you or that quality shot no and so aye the legs nim. Now you bo playing yet me amwahwe dia. Just look at the tender shot boy no ebo and so it me edi ko go post him against it bubu kwa din edi Kumasa Sante Kotoko. He had it on target and a team and di Kumasa Sante Kotoko. Freddy Kasari it me a save ball menyoma and so it me ekoye. So when you are buying a center back as a Zakaria Fuseini, you are buying a full package in terms of passing, the understanding of the game, the understanding of your positioning, the positional awareness, passing, short, long, diagonal, vertical. Ninja ya desu benya dia free no me bani clearance so edia top notch into open center back this summer a ball playing one na ye ka edia Chelsea for ni chim e wo Brekum okwa enye obi asa akeke the captain the skipper of the side e ya dia also timi kodi ne ho nkomo na wonsa etimi e kan. So being a captain Zakaria Chelsea he comes in with a different quality aside the tactical and the technical aspect of his game no we sound so etimi emao a leadership on and off the field na enyuma so etimi ekoyie enti ha na Zakaria Fuseini hu nkomo no ye de nyina enso ebetimi edi esi
ROSEMENS TV your Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, the open beer, say yes, sports. I go can say no. Say news, local and international. We be Tiaminia, ROSEMENS TV. Cause the is here on YouTube, here and I say TikTok or no. Or my account and my mention was any moment. Not a full video, so TV, not on YouTube. ROSEMENS TV, ROSEMENS Plus. Hey, we a KG1.